Hey everybody, I'm Rachel with Family Focus Chiropractic. I'm excited to be here today with Eddie Summers. He's with Body Restoration, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what he does.
Okay, so Body Restoration is a massage and bodywork practice. I specialize in pain management. So over the course of the past 13 years in the massage and bodywork field, I've kind of honed in on not just treating the specific pain that people have, but actually trying to find the source.
Right.
And kind of treat that. So what we're looking for is creating optimal joint movement, proper muscle firing patterns, and just proper movement of connective tissue in the body.
Cool. So do you work with everybody, or do you work primarily with athletes? Or?
I do work with everybody. My primary base is athletes. I work with a lot of the runners here in Holly Springs with the Run Club. And have done so for the past 4 or 5 years, which is a big reason why I wanted to be here in Holly Springs to have my business, to be part of this community. And but I mean, it's just not just athletes, but I mean, they can come in and, if they're trying to maintain or increase their performance, but then also people who are dealing with chronic pain is kind of really what I deal with the most. Get a lot of people who come in as kind of a last resort.
Yeah.
So
working with athletes, are there any other therapies or anything that you use?
Well, currently I'm starting to offer a compression boot therapy. It's a company called Rapid Reboot, and so what that is, it's an intermittent pneumatic compression device. So it fills up chambers kind of one at a time and helps to increase blood flow. It can reduce muscle soreness and things like that in a 10 to 30 minute session time.
Awesome. Great. So tell us a little bit about where you're located here.
Okay, so I'm located right here in downtown Holly Springs. I have space inside the acupuncture clinic above My Way Tavern.
Okay.
So that is on the second floor there. So there's the main parking lot between there and Town Hall, right across from where the farmers market meets.
Yep, there you go. That is literally right downtown.
Yes,
right?
right in the center.
Fantastic. So if someone wants to schedule a massage with you, what's the best way to go about doing that?
Well, it's really convenient that I do offer online scheduling. So all the availability is there. You can schedule and see everything that's available. It's a pretty easy process. It's through software called Massage Book. And so everything is there, but you can also call or text.
Cool. Is there a wait time? I mean, are you pretty booked up?
It really depends. I typically stay booked out at least a couple weeks in advance.
So the sooner the better.
Right, and so with that, I'm also bringing on another therapist. She will be beginning at the end of October to kind of help take on some of that extra load so you don't have to wait so long.
That's awesome. Cool. Well, thanks for meeting with us today, Eddie. And
right.
Again, Eddie Summers with Body Restoration here in Holly Springs. We'll see you around, I guess.
Bye, guys.